Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kapilis and I welcome you all in my today's class and I hope that you all are fit and fine at your places. So, as you all know that we are on the way of doing errors and their rectification. In previous of our video and in previous of our lecture, we have gone through what are the different types of errors and how theoretically we can remove the impact of the error, how we can neutralize the impact of error. So now in today's video, we will try to understand with some of the examples, some of the practical problems of errors, how to rectify that. Before starting, let me tell you, whenever you will find a situation, the error may be of two types. The very first, when the error having impact in more than one account. Number two, when the error having impact in single account. Okay, when two accounts are involved, then it may be a situation when you have done something wrong in spite of doing something right. Suppose you have debited X, you should debit Y. Suppose you should debit X, but in spite of debiting the X, you have debited Y. So now you have committed two mistakes. One, the mistake of not to debit X. Second mistake, the mistake of wrongly debiting the Y. So now what you have to do, what wrong you have done, reverse that. If anything has been wrongly debited, credit that. If anything wrongly credited, debit that. And if anything right has not been done, do that. Like Y is not being, X is not being debited, debit that. Y is wrongly debited, credit. And when the error is single side, as I was earlier telling you, whenever there will be a single side mistake, single side error, you have to use the suspense account. Suspense account, it is an imaginary account. It is not having, it is not a real, it is not personal, it is not nominal. Imaginary account. And this suspense account is being used only when the error is single side. Like only one account is wrong. Okay, like purchase account is wrongly debited, only purchase. So now purchase will be credited. So in order to compensate a double entry transaction, you have to use the suspense account. So now we will try to understand all these areas of the rectification one by one. The very first, that is, I am taking one example, that is, suppose credit sale of rupees 1700, a credit sale of rupees 1700 to Krishna, to Mr. Krishna, has been wrongly posted to Mr. Joshi. If you are making the credit sale, entry should be Krishna to sales. But in spite of here, in spite of debiting the Krishna, you have posted to Joshi. It means Krishna is not being debited, Joshi is wrongly debited. So now what should be done? Krishna to Joshi. What wrong has been done? Reverse that. What right has not been done? Do that. This is credit sale made to Krishna, posted to Joshi's account. Second, credit sale of furniture. Suppose you are selling the furniture on credit to Mr. Prem. First of all, you should understand what should be the entry for that. If you are selling the furniture to Mr. Prem, the entry should be Prem to furniture. This should be the entry. ये entry होनी चाहिए. But what you have done? you have credited the sale. In spite of crediting the furniture, you have credited the sale. Sale has been wrongly credited, furniture has not been credited. So the entry for that, sale account debit to furniture. Sale is being debited because it was wrongly credited. Reverse कर दिया उसको. And furniture has not been credited. So do that. What wrong has been done? Reverse that. What right has not been done? Do that. Next, suppose sale to X. Sale to X. X to sale. Entry होनी चाहिए. But wrongly debited to Y. You have wrongly debited to Y. It means X is not being debited in spite of Y has been debited. So entry for that X to Y. X is being debited. Y it has not been debited. Why? Why? Because Y was wrongly debited. So I have credited. Next is suppose the repair. A repair is being taken for the machinery, and when you are making any sort of repair to any asset, its entry should be repair account debit to cash. But in spite of debiting the repair account, its entry should be repair account debit to cash. But in spite of debiting the repair, you have debited the asset. So now repair has not been debited. Do that. Repair account debit. And asset is wrongly debited, credit that to asset. This is the entries when two accounts are wrong. Now next we can discuss some of the more examples. Suppose furniture purchase wrongly debited to purchase account. Furniture purchase entry should be furniture account debit to cash. But in spite of debiting the furniture, you have debit purchase. So now purchase will be reversed and furniture will be debited. So the entry for that will be furniture account debit to purchase. Again, I am applying the same method, that is what wrong has been done, reverse that, what right has not been done, do that. Okay. Next, suppose you are paying salary to any person. Suppose salary paid to Ram. If you are paying the salary to Ram, entry should be salaries account debited to cash. But in spite of debiting the salary account, you have debited Ram's personal account. You have made the entry Ram debit to cash. Now Ram is being wrongly debited, credit that. Salary is not being debited, do that. Salary is account debited to Ram's account. This is the correct entry. Next, suppose cash is being withdrawn from the office for personal use. If cash is being withdrawn from the office for personal use, the entry for that should be drawings account debit to cash. But now what you have done wrong, in spite of debiting the drawing account, you have debited trade expense. You have reported it just like you have paid the trade expense. Now trade expense is wrongly debit, credit that. Drawing is not being debit, debit that. Entry drawings account debit to trade expense. This lesson of rectification tells you how to rectify the entry only in that case if you know what is right. You will be able to know, you will be able to rectify only when you know what is right. Like drawings to cash should be there, but you have made trade expense account debit to cash. Now you can change it. Drawings account debit to trade expense. Next, suppose you have paid the rent to landlord. You have paid the rent to landlord. The entry for that should be rent account debit to cash. If you have paid that in cash to cash, if you have paid that in by check to bank. But in spite of debiting the rent account, you have debited his personal account. Means you have made an entry landlord account debit to cash. Now Landlord is being wrongly debited, credit that. Rent is not being debited, do that. Rent account debit to landlord account. Okay. Next, now we will talk about those entry who having single impact. Single impact means only one account will be wrong. And in the case where only one account is wrong, in that case you will use the suspense account. The very first, and you will get this type of transactions only in case of undercast and overcast. Suppose you got purchase book undercast, purchase book कम हो गई, so इसके लिए आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये लर्न करना पड़ेगा व्हाट इज द बैलेंस ऑफ दिस परचेज. परचेज इज ऑलवेज डेबिटेड, सो व्हेनेवर यू हैव टू इंक्रीज एनी अकाउंट यू हैव टू डू दैट जो उसका बैलेंस होता है. लाइक परचेज इज ऑलवेज डेबिटेड व्हेन इट विल बी इंक्रीज्ड, when we have to increase that, but when we have to decrease that we have to credit that. So if the purchase book is undercast, in order to now increase that, purchase should be debited and entry should be purchase account debit to suspense account. Suspense account because only one account is wrong, that is purchase. Okay, first of all you should learn which account having which balance. Like purchase having debit balance, sale having credit balance, asset having debit balance, liability credit balance, expense always debit balance, income always credit balance. You have to learn what is the balance, and all these balance occur only in case of increase. If we have to decrease, reverse that. Like if we have to increase the purchase, debit. If we have to decrease the purchase, credit, means reverse. Okay, purchase book undercast. Suppose purchase book was overcast, then entry will be reversed. Suspense account debited to purchase. Okay, whenever there will be overcasting or undercasting in any of the ledger, it will always be single side error and you have to use the suspense account. And whenever you will use the suspense account, you have to see whether you have to increase that or decrease that. Like in undercast, you have to increase that. So in order to increase, you have to do according to the balance of the account, like I have written here. And if you have to decrease something, then you have to go against that. Like asset having always debit balance, but if you have to decrease the asset, you have to do the credit. Entry will be suspense account debited to asset. Okay. Now the last in that category, that is when the amount is also wrong along with the account. Suppose I am taking one example, purchase of rupees 500 debited to sale account as 5000. Now you all can see purchase should be debit, but we have debited sale. Account is wrong, but amount is also wrong. Amount is wrong, account is wrong. Then you have to make the rectifying entry along with the suspense account. How? Purchase account has not been debited. Do that. But with 500, sale has been debited with 5000. Reverse that to sales 5000, and remaining of amount just in order to balance, just in order to tally, that should be in suspense account 4500. This is all about the rectification of errors, and in case of single as well as in case of double account error. Thank you very much.